Now, the Moneague College and the Mico University College won the Intercol Volleyball Women and Men's third place playoffs, respectively, at GC Foster College in Spanish Town on Wednesday. Moneague defeated GC Foster College in the women's fixture. Moneague won in 5 sets, outscoring GC Foster 22-25, 25-15, 25-19, 20-20, 25-13.
Because we defeated them in the first match, we came here, prepared, because I know they were coming with vengeance, but we told them this today, it's our game today. But they fought, so good game to GC, but a better game to MC. Came today just to keep the victory, because as I said, we won before. So we came today to win again and just to have fun. It's the last match for our Intercol season, and we're happy we came out victorious.
To be honest, we started making mistakes and started getting in our heads, but we tried to pick up back and it came too late and it went away from us and we couldn't get it back.
Meanwhile, in the men's encounter, the Mico University College were once again third after defeating Caribbean Maritime University. Mico's men won in 3 sets at 25-21, 25-20, 25-20. Meanwhile, the final between UWI and Mico on the women's side on Friday will tip off at 6 at the UTEC Auditorium, while the men's final featuring UWI and hosts UTEC will get underway at 8 p.m.